So we got the body removed off the full runner. We had a door ding guy came out yesterday, getting the door dings out. There is one door ding that's still left in the truck right here. You can see, but we have to remove the door to get in through the front of the door to get that out. But so other than that, the body, the original paint is in great shape. Little nick here and the molding up here on the top. We're gonna get the moldings taken out and get going on those, get those straightened out and then repolished. As far as underneath the hood on this, you can see it's pretty sanitary under here. We're gonna spend some more time cleaning under here. This was like zinc plated originally. Actually, all these bolts were zinc plated. So we are going to get them all re-zinc plated. So we're gonna pull those all out and send that stuff all out and then get this all polished up. Crazy thing is, you know, we got the battery location right here. You can see how clean it is underneath here. Just no acid, staining, rust, anything like that on the battery location here. So pretty cool. Got the frame torn down, or obviously most of it torn down over here. We're gonna start tearing down the rest of the suspension off this. We're gonna get the frame over to powder coat here by the end of the week. You can see a couple spots here. This is actually the original paint that was up on top of the frame, and I actually took some compound and the buffalo to it just to kind of show how crazy clean some of this stuff was on this truck. Another spot here, and then I did another spot back here in the back. But yeah, it's just crazy, you know, on how clean this really is. So we'll get this torn down. One of the part numbers here on the spring in the back, I'm gonna try to reduplicate that stuff. And then also the little paint here on the springs on both sides with that. And then send a lot of all these fittings out to have them zinc coated as well. So get the whole rear end rebuilt on this. And then obviously all the front, we're gonna go to 488 gears in this to compensate for the little bit larger tires. So we are going to send the motor out. It's already on the pallet, going up to Lake Havasu. There's a company up in Lake Havasu. It's called LC Engineering. They're gonna go through the motor. We're gonna do a few things internally in it, but wanna keep it so it looks factory pretty much. And then all the bolts and hardware on this thing, we're going to black oxide coat as well. Or excuse me, not black oxide coat, but zinc coat. And then this was actually zinc coated at one time. And then all the bolts you can see, and then you can see the gold zinc here. And that's actually what it's supposed to look like pretty much with all the hardware on the motor. And we'll repowder coat some of the brackets on it as well. Valve cover here, we'll refinish that so it looks factory. And the motor didn't smoke or valve seals or anything like that, but we figured we're this far down on it, we're gonna go through it and just go through and replace whatever we need to and just freshen it up. And then the motor and the transfer case here, or excuse me, the obviously transfer case and transmission right here. You can see just kind of how dirty over the years the top of it was. We had pressure washed it, and obviously these are spots that we couldn't get from underneath the truck, but now that they're out, you can see. So we're gonna separate the transfer case and transmission and repowder coat this plate right here in the center, and then obviously recoat all with oxide, zinc, coat all these here. And then there's the steering box there. So, and the drive shaft's gonna get sent out with the rear end as well. So kind of cool. It's coming along. We'll have this thing torn down by the end of the week and start getting after some of these parts. So anyways, thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll keep this thing going and keep the momentum going here. And the seats are actually sitting over here. I forgot to show those. Pretty good shape. Getting a little worn on this one right here, and then a little worn on this one here on the side. So we're gonna try to match up the material or the fabric on these the best we can, and see, and then go from there. So again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.